Best Outdoor Steam Sauna. Number 1. Ops Decor. Outdoor Steam Sauna. The health benefits of using home spa sauna tent include weight loss, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, increase blood circulation, promotes more restful sleep, reduces stress, and increase overall energy level. Use this steam sauna to relax while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies and so on. Handheld control, with 6 automatic timer options, you can easily decide the length of time that is right for you. The newest 2 liters capacity steam pot, with timing and power adjustment, anti-dry, anti-leakage, anti-explosion, automatic power cut protection, anti-leakage protection. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Radiant. Outdoor Steam Sauna. Far infrared heat surrounds your body, thanks to 3 low EMF carbon heating panels. Each heater is precisely placed for even, steady heat. 1 minute setup, 6 easy steps convert this handy device into a personal paradise. Simply unfold the sauna, plug it in, and enjoy nourishing warmth in any location. When you're finished, this space-saving, personal sauna easily contracts for storage. Relax anywhere, this portable sauna is easy to take on the go. A collapsible design conveniently folds for transport or storage. Its moisture-resistant fabric allows for outdoor use, making it a perfect addition to your deck or campsite. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Serene Life. Outdoor Steam Sauna. Serene Life Portable Sauna Steamer Box Tent has a 1,600 watt high power heating element and can reach a max temp of 122 degrees Fahrenheit/50 degrees Celsius in no time, making it highly power efficient. Comes with wired controller for timer/auto heat setting. Use this portable sauna steamer machine home sauna for weight loss, detoxing, and stress/fatigue relief. The heat that radiates from the sauna and soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system. This personal infrared body steamer sauna comes a comfortable/foldable sauna chair that can be easily. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Zone Meal. Outdoor Steam Sauna. 4 liters large capacity steam generator, equipped with 1,500 watt high power, faster heating speed, and can be controlled by remote control for time and temperature. The steam pot will automatically turn off the power after the water in the boiler has been boiled dry to ensure your safe use. Use the steam sauna to detoxify and relax. The heat that radiates from the sauna and soothes achy muscles, helps prevent fatigue, detoxes the system. This indoor sauna kit comes with everything you need to get your sauna on in the comfort of your own home, including sauna steamer. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Durasage. Outdoor Steam Sauna. Including a single pocket on the front which can be utilized to hold your phone, tablet, TV remote or even a small book. 2 zippered openings for your hands allows you to quickly access the front pockets while inside the sauna. Designed to deliver a high-quality experience while using tough materials, which will allow you to use it for years to come. With its satisfying design, your head and hands can extend out for reading, watching TV, or listening to music. This product utilizes steam that is about 212 degrees, 100 degrees Celsius, creating an internal temperature ranging 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Before using, one can add essential oils or fresh flower for an even more enjoyable experience. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.